welcome to another teacher tip with Mr. Long, and we're looking at a video that's quite out of the ordinary, but it might be relevant to teachers as well as other people, and that's a website called Car Care Kiosk. And this is really useful if you've got issues with your car. There's nothing more frustrating for a teacher than when they can't get to work because their car doesn't work, because their car's not doing something right, or you need to replace something and you don't have the money. Where possible, this website can help you with a lot of the issues that you can fix yourself. As I said, the website's called CarCareKiosk.com, and you can just pick your car. I'm going to go to my car. I've got a Hyundai, so I'm going to go click on Hyundai, and I'm going to go pick one of the models. I'm going to pick the i10 model. If I scroll down, there's i10. It tells you all the range of years for that model. And then here you can see all the things that you can do. You can, like, for example, locate the charging port, or if you want to locate the battery. And this gives you a video both on how to jump start the battery as well as replace all of these things. As you can see, there are lots of little videos that can help you with your car. Maybe you want to replace one of the light bulbs. This happened to me recently, so these videos are really useful in telling you where you need to unscrew, how to dismantle it, and how to replace your light bulb. So all I had to do was to buy the bulb, and I could do the rest myself. So let's go check out a video. Let's, for example, go check out on replacing the battery. You just click on replace, and here we have a video that explains exactly what to do. There's some information over here, but we can just watch quickly. So there we go. You can see the details of how it's going to work. So a really useful website that you can use to help fix your car if you are willing to do that. So go check out Car Care Kiosk if you have any issue with your car just before school starts. Remember, for more teacher tips, go to our YouTube channel at Mr. Long Teacher Tips. Click on that subscribe button so you don't miss out whenever we post some new stuff that can help you in the classroom. Also, share us with your friends and follow us on TikTok at Mr. Long Education. And don't do it the long way, do it the Mr. Long way.